Physics Pathshala. Today we will solve the numerical based on the application of Biot-Savart law. So guys, we all know that this is a current carrying coil with I is the amount of current flowing in this coil, and this is the center, and radius of this circle is R. So dear, we know that the magnetic field at the center of this current carrying loop, we can say that this is mu naught upon 2 and I upon R. Dear students, here I am taking only the one circular coil. If there are n turns of the wire, so we will multiply by the n. So for n turns, our formula will be V equal mu naught upon 2 and I upon R. If we need to find the magnetic field at this center, this is any circular arc, students. Suppose that this arc is AB and here current is I. And one thing, if there is an angle theta, so we can modify this equation. How? Dear students, V equal mu naught upon 2 I upon R. Here I am only taking one term. So we can multiply by 2 pi and divide by 2 pi. Because we all know that there will be the angle for the one complete circle, one complete loop, that is the 360 degree. So for 360 we will divide by the 2 pi and we will multiply by 2 pi. So students, if any arc makes an angle theta, so this angle will be theta. So we can write here mu naught upon 2, that is I upon R, and this will be the theta. यहाँ हम इसको theta लिख सकते हैं. So theta upon 2 pi, that is 360 degree. We have one question here. Suppose that the amount of current flowing in this segment is 5 ampere and it makes an angle 30 degree. So हम यहाँ इस सेगमेंट की वजह से, ड्यू टू दिस सेगमेंट, इस पॉइंट पर, इस सेंटर पर, जो एक सर्कल का सेंटर होता, जो एक लूप का सेंटर होता, यहां हम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो B इक्वल, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ म्यू नॉट, दैट इज 4 पाई इंटू 10 रेज टू द पावर -7 अपॉन 2. वैल्यू ऑफ I, करंट कितना फ्लो हो रहा है, दैट इज 5 एम्पियर. सो वी हैव टू राइट हियर 5. व्हाट इज द रेडियस, रेडियस इज R. Suppose that it is 2 centimeter, so we have to put here 2 centimeter. So multiply by 10 to the power -2, सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, into what is theta, theta is 30 डिग्री. कितने डिग्री का एंगल बनाया, 30 डिग्री का, डिवाइड बाय 30, 360. So you can see that 0 cancel by 0 and this 36 cancel by 12 times. So dear, अब हमें सॉल्व करना है. 2 2 जा 4, ये 4 कैंसिल आउट हो गया. यू कैन सी हियर B इक्वल, यहां हमें मिल जाएगा 5 पाई इंटू 10 रेज टू द पावर -7. पहले हमने अपर जो वैल्यूज थी उनको सॉल्व किया, अपॉन 12, 10 टू द पावर -2. जब हम अप्राइज करेंगे इसको, तो इट इज 10 टू द पावर +2. सो फाइनल आंसर विल बी 5 पाई बाई 12 इंटू 10 रेज टू द पावर -5 टेस्ला. डियर स्टूडेंट, टेस्ला इज द SI यूनिट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी. नाउ दिस इज द न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. वी नो दैट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. So then we have to find the direction also. So by the right hand thumb rule, you can see here from the previous class, हम ये जानते हैं पिछली क्लासों से, curly finger will represent the direction of the current. Here you can see, and thumb will be represent the direction of the magnetic field. So you can see here thumb is into the plane of the paper, so we can say direction of magnetic field is inward, but into the plane of the paper. You can see that, but into the plane of paper, plane of board, we can say, and it is perpendicular also. So we have to write perpendicular into the plane of the paper. Guys, in this series we have second numerical. You can see, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, this is a current carrying coil, and here you can see the amount of current flowing in this wire. This is a wire, is I. Here this is a point A, you can see, and यहाँ क्या हुआ, current divide हुआ. So AB, in AB arc current is I by 2, and in AB second arc, lower arc, current is also I by 2. करंट यहाँ इक्वली डिवाइड इसलिए हुआ है क्योंकि दोनों जो सेमी सर्कल्स हैं उन सेमी सर्कल्स की लेंथ सेम है. क्लियर? सो यहाँ हमें मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की स्ट्रेंथ सेंटर पे निकालनी है. फॉर दिस वी हैव वन करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर. दिस इज, वी कैन से दैट OA, and we have segment AB, upper semicircle, and another segment we have BC, and another segment AB. So here we know that Biot-Savart law, एक बार मैं आपको दोबारा से एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. B इक्वल म्यू नॉट अपॉन 4 पाई I dl sin theta upon R square. For the OB segment, OA segment, for the OA segment, theta is equal to 0 degree. You can see this point is lies along the direction of the flowing the current. और प्रीवियस क्लासेस में मैंने आपको ये एक्सप्लेन किया था कि जब कोई भी पॉइंट करंट की डायरेक्शन के अलोंग होगा तो उस कंडक्टर की वजह से, ड्यू टू दैट करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल बी 0. सो इन ड्यू टू OA सेगमेंट, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी B is 0 at O. ऐसा ही हाल होना है ड्यू टू दिस BC segment. So for BC we know that here theta is 180 degree and sin 180 is also 0. So magnetic field is 0 at O due to this BC segment, right? Now due to AB, semicircle AB, I am talking about the upper semicircle. So due to complete circle, we know that mu naught upon 2 pi I upon R, and this is the B. So due to the semicircle, that will be mu naught upon 2 I upon R and multiply by 1 by 2, क्योंकि हमें हाफ करना है, उसका हाफ सर्कल है हमारे पास. So this will be mu naught upon 4 I upon R. This is equation number 1. And we need the direction. We can say this is V1. So direction will be into the plane of the paper by right hand thumb rule. You can see that. So we can write here into the plane of the paper. Into the plane of paper. Now turn this lower end semicircle, lower end. So for this lower end we can say that B2 equals same semicircle we have. So mu naught upon 4 I upon R. This is the equation number second. But dear students, due to this magnetic field into the plane of the paper, because current is going at clockwise here, you can see here. But for this, the magnetic field will be outward. So we can put here direction is outward. Once again, मुझे ये बिल्कुल क्लियर करना है आप लोगों को. Here current is clockwise. You can see here. So magnetic field into the plane of the paper. So for this, you can see the direction of the magnetic field will be outward. You can see here. This thumb will be represent the direction of the current. Actually, I am using right hand palm rule here because it is easy to use here. So this finger towards the point and this palm will represent the direction of the magnetic field here. And in this case, you can see for the upper circle, direction of current is related to the thumb, and these are the point towards the O, and thumb palm is into the plane of the paper. So we have B1 equal B2. Magnitude of B1 is equal to B2, but in opposite direction, because B1 is into the plane of the paper और B2 की डायरेक्शन क्या है? आउटवर्ड. तो दोनों कैसे हैं? अपोज. और मैग्नीट्यूड कैसा है उनका? सेम. सो नेट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट द सेंटर इज 0. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हियर वी हैव अनदर न्यूमेरिकल. A circular coil of wire has 100 turns of radius 8 cm and carrying a current of 0.4 ampere. In clockwise direction, find the magnitude of magnetic field at 20 cm from the center towards the right and normal to the coil. Guys, suppose that this is a coil and this is a current carrying coil. You can consider that, and we have to find the magnetic field along the axial condition, right? And the distance of this point from the center, that is 20 cm, and amount of current is, you can see here, 0.4 ampere, and we have 100 number of turns. So here we have to put the value of n, that is 100. Okay, and radius is 8 cm. So guys, we have formula. This is the condition of axial condition. So you know very well that magnetic field along the axial condition is mu naught upon 2 I R square n upon x square plus r square to the power 3 by 2. Right guys? Now we have to put the values. Mu naught upon 2, permeability of free space, and its value is 4 pi into 10 raised to the power minus 7 upon 2. I, what is I? 0.4. R is the radius, it is 8 cm. So हमें क्या करना है? इस रेडियस को मीटर में चेंज करना है by the multiply of 10 to the power minus 2 upon x. X is the distance of the point from the center of the coil, and that is 20 cm. So again हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? 10 की पावर माइनस 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि हम उसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं. प्लस r स्क्वायर, दैट इज अगेन 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 and square, and whole power is 3 by 2. So students, by putting all the value we will find, हमने जितनी भी वैल्यूज थी वो पुट कर दी, रिक्वायर्ड वैल्यूज. हमने इसको सॉल्व किया. दिस इज 2 to the 4, you can see here, and हम यहाँ 2 की मल्टीप्लाई 0.4 में भी कर सकते हैं, that is 0.8, एंड स्क्वायर आएगा 8 का 64. जब हम इस पूरी इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, सो वी विल फाइंड 3.22 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 Tesla. What is Tesla? Tesla is the SI unit of magnetic field. So by solving, it is 0.322 10 to the power minus 4. So this 10 to the power minus 4 is what? This is 1 Gauss. Gauss is another unit of the magnetic field intensity. So our answer is 0.322 Gauss. So next question we have, students, यहाँ हमारे पास we have two current carrying coils. This is L1 and this is L2. You can see the radius of L1 coil is 3 centimeter and radius of L2 coil is 4 centimeter, right? And here the amount of current flowing in the L1, that is 1 ampere, and we have a point O at which the net magnetic field intensity is 0 due to both the coils. So हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? हमें फाइंड करना है कि इस L2 कॉइल में हम कितना और किस डायरेक्शन में करंट फ्लो कराएं, ड्यू टू दैट नेट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट द पॉइंट O is 0, but the distance of this O from the center of the L1 is 4 centimeter and from the center of L2 is 3 centimeter. Dear students, we will apply the axial condition here. So now for L1 coil, magnetic field intensity due to the current carrying coil, we know that mu0/2 and I r square upon r square plus x square to the power 3/2. This is called V1. So mu0 means 4 pi into 10 raised to the power minus 7 upon 2, and इस क्वेश्चन में नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स 1 गिवन है. So n is 1. What is I? I is also 1, and R is 3 centimeter. That's why 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 square. Okay? Upon R square. That means 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 square plus what is x? X is the distance of the point from the center. That is 4 centimeter. So 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 square and again whole power 3/2. So solution of this complete equation is mu0 into 9 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 upon 2 into 125 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. अब हम फाइंड करेंगे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट दिस पॉइंट O ड्यू टू दिस कॉइल L2. Okay students, due to the coil L2. So students, B2, that means magnetic field due to this L2 coil. So B2 is like the V1, mu0/2 and is 1, and I. So हमें I की वैल्यू तो फाइंड करनी है, so that's why we have to put here I into R square. What is the radius? This is 4 centimeter. So 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 upon now R square. That means 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 square plus distance of the center to the point. This is 3 centimeter. You can see here. So 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 square and whole power is 3/2. Okay? So students, जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो B2 इक्वल mu0 I 16 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 upon 2 into 125 into 10 raised to the power minus 6, and this is equation number 2. Now अब क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या पता है? In the question, the magnetic field at this point O is 0. अब कैसे जीरो होगा? व्हेन टू मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल बी इक्वल इन मैग्नीट्यूड, माने हमने देखा है ना, जब दो फोर्स इक्वल होते हैं और अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में लगाते हैं तो उनका रिजल्टेंट जीरो ही होता है। तो यहां भी हमें यही कंसीडर करना है, दोनों मैग्नीट्यूड कैसे होने चाहिए? इक्वल। तो V1 मैग्नीट्यूड विल बी इक्वल टू V2। क्लियर? नाउ वी विल पुट दीज इक्वेशन इक्वल, सो वी विल फाइंड हियर म्यू नॉट into 9 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 upon 2 into 125 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 equal mu naught I into 16 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 upon 2 into 125 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Students, you can see here mu naught cancel by mu naught, and this complete denominator cancel by complete denominator, and 10 to the power minus 4 is also cancelled by 10 to the power minus 4. So 9 upon 16 equal I. So हमें कितना करंट फ्लो कराना चाहिए? 9 into 10, 9 upon 16 एम्पियर करंट। ओके, नाउ अब हमें चाहिए डायरेक्शन। स्टूडेंट्स, we have to use here right hand palm rule. Okay, so you can see here current is anti-clockwise and these both coils are coaxial. तो एक coil यहाँ रखी होगी ऐसे, एक coil इसके बिल्कुल सामने रखी होगी ऐसे। So anti-clockwise direction. So we can find the direction of the magnetic field at this point O. So you can see here this is the anti-clockwise direction current. मुझे यहाँ magnetic field find करना है, तो I will use right hand thumb rule. So I can use like this. You can see here this is the direction of the current. Okay, thumb represent direction of the current. These fingers are represent the direction of the point at which we need the magnetic field, and this palm will be represent the direction of the magnetic field. So at this point, consider here any point along the axis, direction will be downward due to this. So you can consider here this is anti-clockwise here. So at this point direction will be downward. So we can say that magnetic field is here V1. अब मुझे क्या चाहिए? मुझे करंट की ऐसी डायरेक्शन चाहिए जिसकी वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कैसा होना चाहिए? अपवर्ड होना चाहिए, और इस पॉइंट पे अपवर्ड होना चाहिए। तो मैं लिखूंगा यहाँ पे V2। क्लियर? अब V2 के लिए मैं क्या सोचूंगा? अब देखिए, यहाँ अगर ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है और मुझे करंट अगर अपवर्ड चाहिए, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अगर मुझे अपवर्ड चाहिए, तो यू कैन सी ये सेकंड कॉइल और यहाँ मैं एंटी क्लॉकवाइज करंट फ्लो हो रहा है, तो पॉइंट मेरा यहाँ है लेफ्ट कॉइल के लिए, तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कैसा होगा? अपवर्ड. सो यू कैन सी हियर दिस V2 अपवर्ड एंड दिस V1 डाउनवर्ड. तो करंट की डायरेक्शन कैसी आ रही है? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सो करंट आल्सो बी द एंटी क्लॉकवाइज हियर. Clear? So answer is I equal 9 by 16 ampere and it should be in anti-clockwise direction. This is the complete answer. Thank you students for watching this video.